So, Mr. Sheep at the dog. So, this morning, we're going to be leaving. Aww. My foreigner will fly down. So, make me see the different side of Belize because if it never was for you, if it never was for you, I reach Akaya.
Okay.
Because my husband promised me a long time. So, thank you for taking the time out to fly come to Belize. And let me enjoy a different side of Belize. So, love alone. I do appreciate the experience and everything. So, you know this man will run with you. Yes. Husband ready? What? Already? Ready, husband? No. You said you guys are leaving here 12 o'clock. I'm just kidding. So what are we going to reach at Dangriga? So that when we reach at Dangriga, so you know guys. Yeah, when I'm done, you took the item. Yeah, I look at our boat in Dangriga. Nice, huh? Yeah, I love my belly, you know, I like it. Oh, so, yes. You never carry me out to go eat outside. Otherwise, my mother-in-law cook. Well, your mother-in-law cook the best.
Forget the guy in the islands on there.
I don't remember. So guys, like, share, subscribe. We're on our way to Dangriga. Here we come. We're definitely pulling up there today. We'll leave out now because I know I've been telling you that for the longest while. That's just the people are vexing me, so I didn't even want to watch the show again. Yeah. So see there? Tell the people them.
We're coming. We are reaching Dangriga, you know.
So we are reaching Dangriga. Mommy, it's a wonderful experience. She'll come back December, so we'll see you again.
Yes, yeah. I'm coming back for my birthday.
So this 1 month since Alice man come.
Oh!
Okay, I'm coming! So we can get up Alice to travel with. So now we're on our way to Dangriga. What is that? Yeah, we're going to tell our artists, you know. As I'm telling you, we're going to pull up a Papa John foot. I have maybe say 2 more artists. Drop them in the video. Make them actually, you understand? Show the talent. So me and my husband is after Dangriga. It's a road trip to remember. Yeah, I'm going to put on my seatbelt. Come on, stay. I'm going to put on my seatbelt. Remember, you know them say, we're watching. So I have to just do the right thing every time, all the time. Yeah. Like it for me. One thing was certain and 2 things for showing the people. The husband I got to take care of my wife, you know. Good oops. Loving you is always right. I love you, baby. No good to me. Trust me, it's a good feeling to love somebody and that person loves you back. Yeah. So I take the time, I drive out now. You see, I start long time. Yeah. So I drive out. On our way, mommy, I go and drink some tea. Mogaro. Just never want to get up and walk come out of the way, understand? Yeah, so up on the road there now. Husband? Dangriga?
Here we come.
Okay. It's a road trip. Somebody texted us a long time she left out of the city, you know that, babes? Yeah, so.
We've died at City.
Yeah. I figure at least that is the reason why a lot of people now view the vlog then like one time because they're just tired of seeing the city. So I can say, but enough understand say it's not easy to navigate this thing, and mega reason we don't know upon that. People text based off of the first video, a lot of person misunderstood what I said, and Kenny G said I must explain a little bit more slower because him figure to less him hear it and him understand, but a lot of people don't understand. They misinterpret what I said when I said it's easier to get rich in Jamaica. And let me kind of give you a little bit more details on that. If you're a business person, right, and you have a product and you get 3.8 million people to buy it, don't you sell more and make more money than if you have 400 people buy it? That's what I mean. We have more population in Jamaica, so you find out say money I go more faster and make more faster because you have more people. Belize is bigger than Jamaica. I didn't know that, and my husband find out that and make me know say Belize is bigger than Jamaica, because Jamaica there's still parishes in Jamaica that I haven't seen, I haven't experienced as yet. You understand me? So, and then when I go foreign other places, I see people talk about it, like when I was in Antigua. I never got done to fall late until I go to Antigua and go back to Jamaica. Because the big man thing, everything is US. So for you to enjoy Jamaica, you have to make money. I tell you no. You understand me? And Jamaican people they make money fast because Jamaican people them you will just wake up and people still in a dance while you go work. The scammer them make money a lot. The scammer them make millions.
I said the party start 4 or 5 o'clock. 4 or
5 are true. Me I go party over there in Jamaica. Me go sleep 10 o'clock for wake up at 1 o'clock for get up for get ready for go to the party. I saw Jamaica run up until now. Election nomination are going right now. Nomination also on Tuesday gone. It's a festive season and an election. Over here, some people just get up on the day of election and go vote. No, from nomination, from them say election soon call. People out in them green and them blue. People outside. Them take election serious. And now people start to actually show love to them one another by election day. When an election day, orange can't go over green side and green side cannot go over orange side. I tell you now. And now things change, and that's my kind of love in Jamaica too. Trust me, them believe in a changes. Them not upon one something 40, 50 years, them not upon that. If it now work, it got to go. Nobody now sit down and say, so we know or so we grow. No. You understand me? The difference with Jamaica and here, so as me I try to explain to you. Right, as my husband just said a while ago. In Jamaica, TikTok and YouTube and them apps are monetized. So you will just take up your phone and walk down the road and just start to look at video. Post it up, go up on TikTok, taps and roses, and your own business, your create business out of that, you start to make millions after that.
So people build house and car out of YouTube and TikTok.
Out of YouTube and TikTok. You understand me? You get a viral video fast. Because I did an interview with a girl and she get a viral video. And right now, her thing climb. She in a Belize and she do her thing. If she get the 3 video them from me, she don't talk to me. She don't deal with me. You understand me? People see me and say them I try to reach out to her. She give them attitude that her business, that her phone business, who not Belize, and I have nothing to say. But I'm not gonna lie, if I was in Jamaica, you'd find out say them would kind of be a little bit more helpful and be consistent of trying to say okay whatever. And then from me starting my YouTube channel, she just start to be worse, so I just like to leave it right there. So and that's what I talk about. And then everything a competition. Unity is the strength. United we stand, divided we fall. Do not make the love of money and hype and fame, because I see somebody right now in Jamaica when she was of that temperament and how she stay, but now it get worse. Shall I tell life on herself just to try benickle me? I'm not telling the people, stop that man. can't make love, the love of fame and money, make it degrade yourself and lie for yourself just to get a little likes and share. You understand me? And you can't, young persons that move good when you want something from them and want them to do something for you. And then when you think you get where you want or you think you reach where you reach, you want to start get attitude and malice. Glad me love my own company. See we are? Bonnie and Clyde partner in crime. Me no need no girl, me no need no friend from nobody. If me I got Jamaica, me no have a problem with traveling by myself.
What?
Me and my husband.
Me and you travel by myself, and me and you where you talk about.
Not even give me a chance to finish my sentence.
Okay. Because you know I like real up.
Yeah, man. That is me and him have word sometime, you know. He not allow me to finish my sentence there. But why you do it?
I don't like kind of business, so
Jesus.
finish a sentence.
The reason of me staying back in Belize, even when Belize is some of Belize, some S-O-M-E, some, because when I said some, them edit the video and take out what me say and put it on Facebook. And some of Belize and woman them, they, yo, and
nobody always says you say Belize and you're ugly.
them tell a lie, yo, man, the people them do more worse than what them do to Jesus. And them, everybody try to get a viral off of me.
Want to play the video over, you never said up, go nobody up.
Cha-cha. And then this girl edit the video, Jamaica versus Belize. Belize, that's not nice. Now, listen, as I said before, I had a bad experience entering in Belize. The only country I ever had that experience with. You understand me? I come here and man see me and try to look me and I'll be like, ease off. My husband get through to me with ease because I can detect narcissists. I can detect demons in a human flesh. Trust me, I detect them fast. All of them well cloaked up in a sheep clothing, I detect them. Sometimes I slow them, do what they do. Because I'm going to say, since as I get where you want, why are you still here? You understand me? Genuinely, like, I just now have to try to act up myself. At one point, I was very aggressive. I made a cuss when I find out say I use somebody, I try to use me to get what they want. But I've been then attack some people, man. And some people then I media call me here. But this them long time if I was the old Tamara. It's when God will empower you are the best goal that you ever get. You see when you allow God to change you and not you trying to change yourself. Because the Bible tells us that you're not lean on your own understanding. Sometimes, and some all the times, I know how you say it or how God say it. Because me meeting my husband and me starting all over back, it wasn't easy. We start from nothing. Me and my husband start from empty room, sleeping from bed bottom and ground. We started from nothing. And we work our way.
The first month was equal, when it rained after the same part, we moved to bed.
When me and my husband meet at the first hotel we did stay, because somebody carried me there. I didn't even know the hotel, but it's cheap. I think I was $20 for the night.
Yeah.
For the night, so you pay $100 a week. When the rain fall, because it kind of look alright, you know. So when the rain fall, me and my husband, because the rain never fall when me alone did there asleep. But then about a couple of days and then me and my husband meet up together from we meet at the 2 week. We never departed from me. The same night we meet, that was it. You ever hear about love at first sight? You ever hear about connected at first existence? That was we from we meet, I just told me that. Yeah man, because I was broken, just looking for peace. My husband the same thing. And the two of we just be each other peace. I know what my husband wants and what my husband requires from me as a woman and as a female, and I never held back. Every woman you see attack by the media, them know what man want. I just them hold on them pride and them dignity and them honesty and just try to pretend and put on this persona and act. But genuinely they want to be loved. And they want to love somebody. Them just tell themselves if them do it, them no want a man tell them for idiot, and man love bad girl, and that are just where you convince yourself a lie. You have people they are not perfect. Man know they want to perfect, but not every one of them. I have women out here who genuinely want to love her man. Genuinely wants to love her man that she's with. And hopefully he will return it back. So me just choose that, and my husband appreciate it, and I appreciate my husband. Me and my husband married the 5th of January, and my documents gone in 4 days after. All of my papers then my husband walk a mile up. Me and my husband walks sweat, sun hot. 2 shilling water, 1 shilling water we share that. Me and him. Yeah, man. We take out loan. I remember the first time me and my husband go for a loan. And me just walk in our son, we go for job letter, we go yes, we go this, we go all. But I will finally get the documents them. We know the bus are coming from city to Ladyville. No laugh. And me get up left the documents them in the bus.
And because you said make a hold on to them, because if you don't need them, you forget. But you said make a hold on to them, but forget them for the bus. But me never worry. But you stress.
I stress and start cry.
You know why I'm stressed? Because you take it out of my head and you forget it.
Yo, better so broke like dog. And the baby mother come at the house and make a bag of excitement and slide and drop a bus off forward and go over the station where I work and tell the police, the sergeant for him, say him take Amali car and I head through him want to have sex there and she don't want to have sex because she come for maintenance of the baby. Oh God, my husband never talk hard. And she said she want $2,000. $2,000? Nearly $2,000. Huh? For fix your forehead. And he had to pay her that. She said she want that and maintenance all time paycheck. And that stress out my husband. I mean like, damn. Then on top of that, him best friend dead. Him actually get to see him 2 days before him dead. 2 days.
Yeah, 2 days.
Why you gotta go look for him?
But he asked me if I gotta look for him.
Okay, him call you.
Yeah, he called me. I come and look for her and feed the dog. And move a cycle for what the while he shed one minute there and clean up the house and leave it.
And then 2 days after him dead. And I saw that because in my from how well I was in a meeting.
I'm in primary school, not number one. Standard 5. I must say more one. 12:30.
I meet this young man from him about 12:30. And the last time when that young man was passing away, he didn't call no family member. Him call. So him are the last person him say before him close him eyes. So you know that's a tight friendship. And then him just pass off. Lay down in him house and pass off. And he went. When him call him, he went.
Even though I'm end up to pass the house. I pass the house and end up far. Then I have to catch a taxi and go down again. As I pass the house.
Yes.
And when I catch the taxi, I never get enough money. But the taxi man kind of allow me. And I saw the man actually make I catch the taxi red and go back down.
Oh my. These are real situation, real life testimony. And when he tell me, immediately I know that he needed me at that present moment. He was vulnerable, him hurt, him emotions all over the place. And this is the reason why I'm talking about these things. Females have a tendency to make it seem as if man have emotions, man don't have feelings. But you have son. So how is it that you feel like your son is supposed to have emotions and feelings, but you don't feel like a next woman's son supposed to feel that I love my husband because I have son and I want a woman to love him and show him, say, listen, I am your strength. And for every successful man, there's a rock at Gibraltar woman stand beside him. And that's what I offer to my husband. The firmness what the Bible tells me, say, I must sustain and hold. So when me and my husband, because my husband never tell me I'm going to marry to me. Come on, go down in that story time, baby. When me and my husband get together, we just, after the whole excitement with the baby mother, right? Because she come at the house and hear me in that room, me and him. She beat them, go boom, 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 boom. Me hear that girl in there and she just, like this girl looks so quiet. I be like, damn, I think I'm here the vulgar one. I couldn't believe it, and she make a bag of excitement and dirty Jamaican and yo, she behave really awful at night. I'm step past the two of them. She rush, she come fight me. Which you know she can't fight me. When I ask, I tell everybody, you see that crowd, like come see it on video with the crowd and bag, I'm not depend on that. That is not my style in a summer program. Because if me know nobody will come, especially if you gang me, I'm a scissors ready. I'm know I kill two of them. That's why I not go to crowd, I not go party, because I realize a bagger, especially in a bellies, there's some little girls and some big women, them like crowd up on the gang and they I not like it. Because I just feel like you're big people and certain things have to grow past. I not whole argument, I not go that confrontation, something there, I not do that. Ask him to step past him, baby mother. One time I feel slap her, man, like, cause she slammed door in my face and like she push violence to me. I feel hold her and jerk her. I'm sure man do that something there. Don't do it, you never do it again. She go as far as to right now take away the baby from me because she can't come get right and feel like she can lick me and me go steal it. That's something there, woman. Try that. Respect yourself and make me respect you and you respect me. Ask him, love my stepdaughter. Me are the type of stepmother who come pick up my stepdaughter, braid my stepdaughter here. My husband can tell you, I go for her and bring her up on lunch date. And when my husband see that, my husband never asks if he can marry to me. My husband just go out, come go court and pay 2 security for be witness. Marriage done. I've signed my good pussy name on paper. Yeah, man, I saw my husband go to work, man. Them man not ask no question. Them man go, they go find information. What we do? Done already. Take me information. We go down at the court. Him send it in to Belmont because when him send in, you have to sign a paper because I'm not a Belizean, so him have to do. I guess the same thing with two Belizean if them get married. Our pastor can do it, and then him go down and send it in and. The next day, we go at the bank, go pick up the loan, and him just do it. And we pay the baby mother all the money what she requests from we. And from there, so my husband left with about $7,000. About that. And that me use that by fridge, stove, TV. When my mother-in-law come at our house the first time, she couldn't believe it. I spin the money there like a gig. I spin it. And we made it possible. I go to school. Yeah, man, go do elderly care. I start my business. Me and him together. Juice business, restaurant. I have a business license, I have a food and glass permit, everything. That's how I tell people this say. And upon me, I come and brag and show off. I put in the work. I do what needs to get done. To make sure my husband mother proud of me as our daughter-in-law. Because listen to me, enough of the time, girl want have man. But you don't want actually make it, the man they one side and say, yo, my wife that, And then I say, yo, I like how she do her thing, man, I feel good for you, whatever. You just want to be the man, woman, but nothing back of that. And that's why sometimes the man them not really soon as wife or whatever. You can't blame them. Because you have to put in the work, mama. Me I tell you, put in the work. I'm a boss. Who know there? Be a good husband, man. Be a good husband so you can attract the right wife. Because me not speak sexist, me not talk on one side of the table. Because me have daughter and me have son, so can't pick no lane. Me have to just stay neutral. Me have to stay in the, it's like a yellow line, baby. And so me have to stay in the midst. Yeah, me can't go up and left and me can't come up and right. Can't pick the side. And that's why me and my husband love story start. And we just do what we had to do. My husband is one of the only man me ever take coming from my mouth who ever love me. You have other men like me. Them like how me look. Them like my pussy. Them like my ambition. But they don't love me. Them just like what I bring to the table. But my husband is actually the only man who ever showed me love, who invested in me. Who invested in my dream. My husband stand up beside me doing this YouTube vlogging. Support me 100%. When I got nursing school, him stand up beside me like the Rock of Gibraltar. Boy, when the baby mother did left him at the best thing she ever do. She thought she not see no future with him. Yeah, mama. Glad I never see it, because me see it. Can't get a good man like him ever again. And trust me, I don't know if him cheat, him be man say him cheat, but him never step out by my relationship and my marriage. We locked in.
Yeah, Jack and Rose.
Yeah man, Jack and Rose. Yeah man. I him tickle my clit all night long. When him put that dick for me, I have tap your son and I want to go back to Jamaica. All in them attack, go back to yard. Him say go where? And he go here go and me here go. Yeah man, him love him big head wife and the big head wife love him. So the next stop was stop in a Dangriga. Story time this morning. Love story. Man, they go sit down and tell them the real details again. Well, and we have enough more to talk about. Where's the baby still can break that?
Yes man, I still today. So anyhow, I don't know where you hire me. But I don't know, reach out. I still got it. Even in my big belly, I still got it.
No, I was one of the baddest breakdance kind of belly is.
Come on, so my head get big just now.
So if you don't want to hire him, don't worry, come here, come jump up and rail. I'll let him drop them. I say, get up, baby, get up.
You're going for job.
That's truth. Those bands them still can break dance, almighty Jesus.
Yes man, still got it.
Why? I believe in a baby, man, I lie. No, this police bit my morning. Yo, like seriously. We have got to do it. When we reach them, we have to look at moves through them. And backflip.
Well, fucking no backflip for that. You can't go long for my head for a camera. I have to take a commercial break quick.
What man? Yeah, we got to do a little backflip here.
You ready to move the camera quick? I'm not off my head, you have to move the camera for me. Move the camera for me.
The camera, I'm going to move the camera, but it's unfiltered. So if they drop into position, you can't walk. Well, let's say what put like say, yeah, in the land for your foot. No. Fuck man, no, but listen to me. You got it, mouse man. You got this.
Got it now, man.
Hey, you never boots your flag super drinks.
Boost me up. Boost me up for the video now.
Shit, man. No, I mean, I stop laughing. But that's what you flat, man, that hurt me. Fuck me, drunk, and I never had me too. Oh, my husband said, if I do a two, look back to the phone, so look out for that, yeah? Yeah. So we just reaching a Dangriga. I'm in a good spirit. Reach a Dangriga, so. Yeah. You get a drive come right off in destination without paying $1. Yeah. Just get the officer drop come straight up at Dangriga. What was the name? What that junction name? No, we just pick up the officer.
Democracy.
Yeah, and let him drive come right at Dangriga.
It's a good spirit.
He said, we sing it and it just latch in the head.
Yeah, the song they have a head now.
Yeah.
Block on there.
Oh my God, mother-in-law, mother-in-law, man.
I call it. Me not here, you know.
Is she want her?
Huh?
She want her?
She wants it.
Whee! Mother-in-law. So everybody, this is where my husband grew up. Yeah. See? Upstairs house. My husband grew with good background. Yeah. Yeah. What kind of there? Mother-in-law! Hey, I'm afraid of that again. We finally reach. Watch out, come and tell if the door open. Sorry, husband.
Because the Ghana car, stay
Yeah.
overnight the car and then they, you know. Where you go, Carla?
Nobody but the one caller there. Madela! What my mother-in-law mean by we come from bad time? You don't understand this. Jesus. I will call me. So we are going on the road. Babes, yeah, we have to make a couple stops. Go for a couple places, man. Babes, I can't wear the slippers then, the slippers. The slippers, boss.
You know the next one?
Jesus, shit.
What the pink one?
What a shame. Yes, slippers in my bag. I look at him and with 500 slippers. But that people might try to get my sexy body sister-in-law for come, but she said she got the wings and breadfruit from her later. Jesus. Fried breadfruit. Big up my housewife sister-in-law. You can imagine me ask my husband yesterday, and my husband and know what that street and I can tell that you're one of my subscribers. One of my subscribers. So I'm going to see Sherlock. I know she subscribe. You good?
Yeah.
Alright, baby. So I'm going to pass it. People gonna go. You ever get a kick from us yet? Not try. I know I experienced it. I hear about it, but now I experienced it. So, let me just go near the arm.
Horse.
Horse. We say donkey in Jamaica. Donkey ass, cow, moon, anything where you want to call it, sir. Listen to me. But, me don't know what's up there. The Pelican Beach Resort.
Yeah,
Then also them make a resort on
on the beach
okay.
side.
I want to put them video in there.
Yeah, faster. Check.
Yeah. Want to put it?
Huh? Yeah, look at it.
I'm in a good spirit. I'm in a good spirit. With a Pelican Beach Resort. Yeah. And that was really good. Spin the cameraman. Mauritian. Shoot out the gas, man. No, my husband gas swim. Then it's bad.
Yeah, we're going to
Wanna know me? Eh? They know me. On the camera. That's a car. Here I do. They come on the camera. If they hear the day, you know why you're on the camera. I'm going to put your style, me not put you on my camera. What? Go down in the water like Jack or Rose. Jack. Fuck that. Jack. Jack. Go down in the water. Let them go down in the water. Come back, Jack. No. No, stop. You can't see me now, so you want me to stay up as a ball. Jack. Don't go, Jack. Watch out. I just Rosa alone and show you get up now because you want to see Jack. Okay, so stay down. Fuck man. Look boy has something else. Don't stop. You don't put yourself by gas here.
See, you look nice to swim, huh?
That's true. Don't know why you can't swim. I will just walk by that.
Yeah, we walk by the boardwalk.
Huh? Yeah. I'm a Jamaican living in Belize. One go.
So how's your trip to Dangriga so far, Mrs. Guinness?
It's wonderful. We still away from Papa John.
Oh yeah.
Papa John said they're actions and I give me away. This is what I love about being in the country area. You get to see that you just get to experience and see nature for itself. You understand? You can't get life better than this. I want the money, no baby. Money! Yeah, because them say a $230 used to stay in a resort there. Man. Yeah. Video it up, so baby. Man, alkaline. Eh?
Alkaline.
Alkaline. Alright, you know it's a girl T-Mar. I'm there Dangriga. I'm come look for one of the artists them I see on KTV last night. Even though I come look for Papa John, I'm not seeing Papa John, I still talk about you in the media because you know I'm still already. But I book up on one of the bad. Me critics. And a lot of people don't like because I give my critics fairly. If you're not do good, you're not do good. I don't care if you don't like me. And when I say I saw this young lady last night, and me I go doze, I want me to hear she start singing the smart song for me. I'm saying I can't get it. No, bust it, but they laugh with me. No laugh,
Alright.
bust it.
Me want my smart plan, want it right now. Me want my smart plan, want it right now. Next bundle data plan, more me boosted smart net in my hand. Cause me want my smart plan, want it right now.
That is it, you don't know. So you want to go on and my husband know her. My husband have a camera down here regular, talk the truth.
Yeah.
Yeah man, tell him cause me I talk but me don't feel like he might hear what me have to say. Someone help me to get in the camera down here after him. Yeah, we are set him up.
Yes, and Pearly,
But however, what inspired you for going to music?
My entire family, we do music, so that's something where I think I grew up to do.
Embedded in you.
Yeah.
In Jamaica, we take music personal. If you don't know nothing about Jamaica, my girl can enlighten about Jamaica. You see music, dance, track and field. Those are the column, reggae, dancehall, the column for Jamaica. You understand me? And as I just tell you a while ago, Belize need some column. And I encourage you to pursue this. Like I said a while ago, and that wait me last night. My friend that wait me. Because I'm not really too bother with KTV because I watch it and I see some people do some things and even to judge them, I think they're not giving the strength, the criticism within. Yes, you want to say good things, but you also have to point out the error them and make people not say, yo, you can't do this. As I tell my mama, just said it a while ago, I don't watch it and I see you. I may say, no, say, mama have it. And so comes my husband tell me, say, no, you didn't know your family. I may say, you're going to find her, because I'm staying on. Anything me want to get done, me move at that. And I'm telling you, you have it. But just tell you a while ago, you remind me of Coffee. I remember Coffee, a Grammy winning artist. So for me, size you up with Coffee, you have to have something. Take that and build on it. My friend, you have it in there, you go down inside there, you can know it there in there. You understand me? So take my personal criticism, you are doing good. And why you push it, whether you win or you not win, don't let this be the last of your journey. Me no want to call again and me say, you know, say me the kind of but true me no want to hear that because me will fly come there and come tell you to blood clot. You get me I say?
I get it.
You have it in you and I'm want you tell people about your journey in it and how long and also about your voting thing. This interview is just about you. That's why I'm going to search for you and me I personally I push your thing. I give my platform because I ask anybody about me. My platform wasn't supposed to be about Belize, it's supposed to be about me living in Belize. But I make my platform for me and Uno work and show the people in international say Belize have it. Maybe people in a Belize who would have even used them platform, they wouldn't see it as how I see it. Because here out we going to Jamaica. Teamwork make the dream work. I say if you build me and me build you, a two column that, not one. You see the crab in a bucket thing, and me not depend that my friend. My friend want to, so when I see you on the TV, I say, hey mama, blood clot, how you man? That's how we talk at Jamaica. And they say if I go to Jamaica and I'll perform and them say, how you mean blood clot, mama?
That's true.
Yes, so when I up on the stage next time, when you remember some of the day I start tell you, run out man and slap in some ray and dash to dance and move up the big body and make them know so not true. My body big gonna feel like I'm a frisky. Like them frisky on the stage. That's why the next day I will come because I'm a friend. Yeah man, and look at you see them my Jew friend that and my Jamaican friend that. Come on loud and my friend. I'm love bad. But yeah, but I say give them some like insight about your journey and so your time. I'm just kind of
So the copyright.
copyright, you know. Some music I play, I don't know if you can hear it, but I don't want no copyrights to it. Come up kind of get them one because I don't want YouTube. Come on, talk man.
Alright. So, are there 8 weeks now in the KTV journey? Next week, finale, you know?
Oh, next week.
Finale time.
So I have to come man.
Yeah.
Wear your shirt them there and make a t-shirt and stuff.
This week.
You have to make a t-shirt and when I get one, if you never pay fit, I have a problem. You get to me and say, get some t-shirts and make with because me are one of your fans. You just gain me as one of your fans. But the both remember them. Who shall sorry. Give them your voting.
Alright. If you'd like to vote for me and keep me in the competition and crown me as your karaoke queen, text the number 2 to 585, the number of votes space 2 to 585.
The reason that didn't come in your waist.
Alright, you have to have a smart number though.
Yeah.
Digital not work.
Oh,
You have to have smart.
okay. I think you have smart and digital.
Okay. You have purchase credit and a prepaid or postpaid.
We have to go for a postpaid.
Prepaid.
Okay.
Okay, if you have a prepaid, you go to the store, purchase any amount of it. So let us see, you get $5. $5 at 10 votes. So you put 10 space 2 and then you
So I can go do it now? Can I?
Yeah, you
Me no want to give the money, I want to vote for you.
yeah, you could vote for
Yeah, me no want to give it. You go way by?
Yes, I buy.
Buy your vote.
Oh,
Yeah.
buy my credit. Yeah.
Buy your credit. So,
Yes.
you see, me I show you, I want your thing go, and me personally, I make sure say, me be my vote. Because you have some people say, yeah, them are your fans, but they're not going to put. Just like I'm tell people, subscribe. You're not taking nothing for this because if me have 4,000 people view the video when I drop it. Oh God, man, just because I'm not saying nothing. So me not going to say this, I like your thing, I wouldn't vote for your thing. Voting for your thing is showing that I support your thing and I want to see your thing take off. You understand me? Because me say it's encouragement sweeten the labor, and that's why I come for you. I want to encourage you in person to make you know say do it because you have it. Me is not really the type of person who mail around people like that, you know, because I'm very funny, I'm very pasty. You get me up. If my spirit and guts tell me say you have it, me personally I come give you a rose. And so me operate. Me not the type of person who I say me not like you, because first thing, if me don't know you, me not supposed to feel me supposed to have a reason for not like you. And then everything from the media is what it is. You understand me? So even if I see something on the media I don't like you, I still come to see you in person to get my personal interaction to know if I should or I should not. You understand me? So that's why when I saw you on the media, I'm like, babes, yo, she bad. I'm waking up and I'm saying, Dangriga, you come from. And I know you. I'm saying, yo, we are going Dangriga then, because we're fine now. That for make you feel like energy. Yeah? So
Yes,
Jamaican people very energetic,
yeah,
you know.
yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And you have it. So more you put in the energy in it.
Yeah.
When you go up on the stage to the final, more you run up and down all about on the stage.
Yeah.
Many people in the crowd get up, man, because them too relaxed. You get to me and say, my friend, when you wait, because I'm more loud than me come. But I make me alone, so the crowd and me come back and nice. When you wake the crowd up, and make us say, yo, it's there. Because that's me, I tell you. You win KTV, you don't know we can buy Jamaica together. You can link up on some of the big producers that love them. Because we talk about Russian, we talk about Aka, enhance and producer in dealing within them. So I'm telling you, I will definitely first hand hear the links them. Carry your God right at the gate. You call them and say, yo, when a Belling's bad artist. You understand me? And that's how we want the Belling's and people. Understand me? Because them not understand. They say iron sharpeneth iron. And if they're on the right crowd and the right set of people at the right spot, nobody can stop a light from shining. Nobody. You see me? We have to bust a star out of Belling's, man.
Yes,
Not that the best in a Belling's. Want look and see you all that nominated for Grammy. I feel good. Can look on Shensia. So as I just said a while ago, I want to support our Maureeen, Budram. Support our team. Our social media platform, find her, follow her. Oh, the Notorious Mocha. And you have to tell me
If you want to follow me on Instagram, my name is The Notorious Mocha. On TikTok, it's the official Maureeen Budram.
well, I have to follow you, follow me back.
Yes, man, of course.
Because I have watched it on Instagram.
Yeah.
So, and TikTok. But just I do my Instagram page because YouTube channel, yeah, them some of it link everything. So I kind of did have it, whenever really to follow it up and then I turn media personality again. Because I was a radio personality back home. Yeah, man, Roots 96.1 FM, man. Yeah, that's what I say. As I tell my son, them follow bodyguard, them and Mali. My MP Alice, they walk and breathe, everybody should have run the film. Because me no work off a fame and fame hype. You get to me and say? Because I could have come here and I go like, no, I come here humble. I don't look at things. People just want to dim my light and them not like when I speak the truth or speak what I have experienced. But being married to my husband, I'm trying to learn Belize culture. I'm not put nothing on my head. I'm not take nothing personal. And I'm still out here. I'm still showing people love. I feed the homeless. My back to school treat on Friday. I go come perform the yes. Cause you know everything is a upliftment for the country. And I'm putting in my best. And I get support from Belize and overseas. A few Belizean in Belize help me, but I get more support from them overseas and them like what I do. So I want to interact with Uno and give them a chance to come on board and make it as a team and we support each other and make it better because you win, me win, I win, you win. That's how me know it. You get to me and say, yes, there are some real fucked up people in Jamaica. I'm going to tell people, don't take Jamaican people them serious. Jamaican people will gimmicks up on the media and talk anything, but because other country people like people Belize think, oh, and she says, no. We don't go right now, she never the media talk about that thing, but you people don't know her, and me know her, me know her, so she'll tell life on her own self just to get out, and just Jamaica. That's how Jamaica run. You see, gimmicks, they can't take gimmicks down by Jamaica. People don't call you by your name at Jamaica, they might call you Bigs. One big stand.
One big stand.
You understand me? Butch girl. Butch!
Yeah, really.
So you see, you can't have your emotions for your sleep. You can't take nothing personal. That's what I can tell you. If you lose a foot, a one year name instant. If you lose a year, a 1 year name instant. You have to just know that. That's how Jamaica make up part that. So when I see them by the media, I don't fuck with them. Because I know them.
Yeah.
You get me? So sometimes a lot of Belizeans go up on TikTok and watch Jamaican TikTok. Me I tell them say, listen, no follow them. No follow them up. Them the pussy well will make a ball from the media. You say if you're not firm up in this, Jamaica will mad them man. Loan, you say them to Britney. You know the black TikToker there? Oh God man, them mother pull up a Britney on TikTok. God Jesus, take me cut off one side of her head. Bring the ball hole and do it that. When it's sitting there, when the cat, no man, the avatar. Fuck, I put all the fun there, so God man, Jamaican people are wicked to pull like a Britney. I bring the feed too much people on the media. God is when I know me now, father, they can't say nothing, they can't call me name and look. I'm telling you, but trust me, you get the right link in Jamaica. They name them all over the world. I'm telling you that I want them to show about. Valley I never bust because of their music. I want him to catch you at a lie. I look for him now. I will show you everything is just a goal like that. Because the 4 million people vote for you, you are right now, you know. Listen, I try to show you. So it is what it is, and as I say, push your thing, you have my support 100%. And I will be here. I'm never check up fire because if anybody can tell about my vlog, I keep in contact with people and want to interview and interact with because I'm helping the people. And trust me, I'm gonna let it out. Yo, Wagwan, blah blah, you know, the new song. Send me something, I'm gonna send the link and producer them and you and them work out how you can get reading from them and you work out the thing. You just know KTV is a good start for you to get publicity. My friend, push your thing. Sometimes you are the one to get picked out to your family to do the right thing. Because every family have that one great. You know what I talk about? Yeah. Greatness. So you don't know if I you. And then as you say family, then your brother them can. Maybe you be the one that just bust the whole entire family. Sometimes you have to do the sacrifice to God. Don't fret, you can't have a friend. Because if your destiny and your calling, don't right. Don't hide from me. You can't hide from me. So this is your way out. Take it, run the race of life. You can't get nothing better than that. You see me? You will see days that will come, you will stand up and say, that was life. Me not come for break nobody, I come for deal. I not come for bring down nobody, Fanta Motor, so them go build great man, them go kill great man. And me always say myself, so I want to be the person who put life in a young and tell us, yo, you're one. Father God not be in a rich life and a poor life, and then just be the life. And you make what you want to life. And so you see yourself, you know you're great. Looking at the mirror every day and say, I'm great. Great, I'm great. And so once you can do that, you will see the greatness start manifesting in front of you. The greatest thing right now, you're not afraid to go in front of the camera, you're not shy, you're not doing nothing at all. So this is your opportunity and this is you doing what you need for this. And you can stop yourself. Please people, vote for her. You get me? I say, vote and make the thing go the right way. Yeah, man.
It's like, well, you know the thing said, I want to like, follow, subscribe, share the page. I am a Jamaican living in Belize.
One team, one family. You don't know where I get the thing out there. I may support our thing, she support my thing, and we are pushing it. We are black sisters and brothers.
That is it.
You get what I say? So each one reach one. I want our thing because my day from it day they are going. She do 8 weeks and right now I want her thing. She need to come to Jamaica.
Yeah.
So that
Yeah.